Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Check that your device runs iOS 13 or later and the Shortcuts app is installed. Once done, open Settings, right arrow Siri and search and enable Listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri so commands register. Make sure the shortcut you want exists in Shortcuts. Create it now or add from gallery. You're taking the first actionable steps so Siri can find and run that shortcut. This establishes the voice interface and the shortcut's presence. Now you'll link a phrase. Open Shortcuts, tap the shortcut, then the three dots and the settings icon. Choose Add to Siri and record a concise phrase that's unique and easy to speak. Once recorded, test it inside Shortcuts, run manually, check required inputs, and set Show When Run if you need prompts. If the shortcut uses apps or URLs, make sure permissions are granted. After customizing, practice the exact phrasing so Siri reliably recognizes your intent. Speak your recorded phrase or press the side button and say it. Siri runs the shortcut and performs each action. If it doesn't, re-record the phrase. Shorter is usually better. Then verify microphone access and that the Shortcuts app has necessary permissions. If problems persist, restart the device and toggle Siri off and on in settings. Make sure apps used by the shortcut are installed and up to date. One key troubleshooting tip. Recheck and re-record the Siri phrase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.